After setting up your penetration testing environment, it's time to make our Kali Linux more powerful. In this video, we are going to look at PimpMyKali. So PimpMyKali is a post-installation script that automates the setup, customization, and configuration of the Kali Linux operating system. From installing essential penetration testing tool to configuring system settings, I'm going to go to my browser and then I'm going to search for PimpMyKali. Then we are going to select this first link, which is the GitHub repository for that particular tool. And then maybe you can look around and look at how the tool looks like. Then we have some commands that will help you with installation and also updating it. Then we have some releases and updates. So you'll come up here where we have this green button. Then make sure you are in HTTP. Then you can copy that link. So copy the link. Okay, then I'll jump to my terminal. So I have a folder called tools. So I'm going to navigate to that folder. Then I'm going to say git clone. Then I'm going to paste that link. So to paste on your terminal is Ctrl-Shift-V. Then you'll be able to paste that particular link. Then enter. And it's going to clone that particular repository. So if it's done, when I do ls, you can see we have PimpMyKali directory. So I'm going to navigate to that directory. Then I'm going to list the content that are inside there. Okay? So you're supposed to execute this particular script here so that it can be able to install those tools and everything that we need to make our Kali Linux operating system more powerful. So I'm going to say sudo. You're going to need sudo privileges. Then bash. Then I'm going to say pimpmykali.sh. Then add --auto, okay, so that it automatically installs. Then I'll type my password, then we'll wait for it to install. You can see it has started and it's running an update. I'll get back to you when it's done installing. So during installation, it might ask for the root password. Make sure you give a very secure root password and make sure it's something that you won't forget, because it's very important to have access to the root user, and providing a password that you can remember, it's very useful. So I can see our script has already installed the dependencies that we need. So we have all these messages that are requiring me to restart the machine. So maybe I don't know if I can clear them. Let me just do this. Then we're going to restart the machine. So you can see we have this banner here to show that the script has installed all the dependencies and tools that we need for our penetration testing. So that's what we are supposed to look at today, to install the PimpMyKali script to improve our Kali Linux operating system.